Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Porsche Panamera vs Porsche 911 Carrera full comparison. Follow the structure: performance, comfort, cost of ownership, and deciding factors so you can pick what fits your life. I'll highlight driving feel, typical running costs, cabin usability, and who each car truly suits. Expect honest pros and cons, friendly tone, and clear comparisons to help you choose confidently between luxury sedan practicality and pure sports coupe appeal. Let's dive into performance with a warm, conversational tone that sounds like a friend talking cars. We'll compare acceleration, handling, braking feel, and how each car behaves across twisty roads and highway runs. I will describe engine character, gearbox response, and suspension tuning in plain language so you can imagine driving each car. By the end, you'll understand which driving experience matches your priorities: raw precision or planted, comfortable speed. Quick break to ask for support. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers that simplify long drives and track days with tidy snacks and lunches. See the description for the link and current deals. Thanks for watching and supporting honest car content. Now let's get back to the video. Now we cover practicality and ownership with friendly clarity, so planning is simple. I'll compare cargo capacity, rear seat usability, fuel economy expectations, and routine service needs. We will also consider insurance trends, depreciation, and typical options that drive up sticker price. This helps you weigh daily usability against weekend thrills and decide if the extra practicality of a sedan or the focused simplicity of a coupe fits your budget and lifestyle goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.